case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for.
In the 1950 United States tax court case of Midland Empire Packing Company v. Commissioner, the court had to determine the distinction between deductible repairs and capital improvements subject to depreciation charges. The case centered around the petitioner's expenses to add a concrete lining to their basement in order to prevent oil seepage from a neighboring refinery. The petitioner argued that they should be able to deduct this expenditure as a repair, as it was necessary for maintaining the property's efficient operating condition and did not add value or prolong the life of the property. On the other hand, the respondent contended that it was not an ordinary expense in the petitioner's business and should instead be considered a capital improvement. The court ultimately decided in favor of the petitioner, ruling that the expense of lining the basement was indeed a repair and therefore deductible as an ordinary and necessary business expense. They concluded that since the expenditure did not add value to the property or extend its life, but rather maintained its efficient operating condition, it was allowable as a deduction.
Case briefs, and so much more. LSData's got what you're looking for. Visit lsd.law, elevate your mind. Leave the stress of class.